16 part A, so we've got to answer all question parts anyway, but to open the program called Q16_A Pi from your device. So let's go, and you'll have your Tani opened. Let's go and find your file. So you'll probably find it a bit easier than me the next day because you won't have any of this rigmarole. But in terms of file management and that, you should have no problem finding it. But this, you won't have as many hoops to jump through as me here. So higher level and the English version there, yeah. So you won't have as many jumps as that, but basically you'll open it up. It tells you on the paper that the source code is shown below. So you can see down here in this box, I'm not going to go down to it, but it says the source code is shown below, and that's what comes up in your Tani. So before making any changes, you should save your working copy of this file using this format. So candidate number Q16_A. So straight away you should go File, Save As, and put in your candidate number here. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 underscore Q16A. I'm going to throw it in here in model solution. Save that. And there was actually no underscore there. Maybe there should have been, but let's go in there, and we can take that out after a while anyway. Shouldn't make a big difference. But for example, you'll say the file is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Q16_A if your candidate number was that. So again, let's fix it in fact while we're here, just in case there's any issues. But if you had done that, and again, I've got to go through this massive rigmarole, you won't have to the next day. And SEC Exams 2021 Section C, higher level, what a thing. And I just go right click and rename and take out that underscore. So apologies, I thought there'd be an underscore in it. So open it up again. It's telling me now it can't be found. There we go, so we're opened. Okay, right. Enter your examination number in the space below provided on line 2 in your Python file. So again, put in your examination number here. So whatever yours is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no names whatsoever. No names at all. Make sure you don't do anything like that. And on the line 2, so line 2 is your examination number, as you can see there, line 2. And enter your, or the Python program shown below tests whether the strings stored in the variables word1 and word2 are anagrams of each other, and display yes if they are. So hopefully you've watched Countdown or something like that. An anagram is a word that can be mixed up. So let's say, I don't know, examples that we could give are slit and list. There are two examples, the same number of letters and all the same letters, and they're just different. So two words are anagrams of each other if they both use exactly the same letters. For example, listen and silent, or Elvis and lives are also anagrams. So the function definition is underscore anagram, takes two arguments here, W1, W2, determines whether or not two words are anagrams of each other and will not be used until part V. So we will move on now and answer the first part in this question, or we'll have a quick look at this in the next video.